Welcome to step 1 of putting together your 6 reflective statements of competence and related resource items. The very first step is creating the shell of your portfolio into which you will add many items. Your portfolio may be arranged in any creative way you choose. 3-ring notebook, storage box, milk crate, file box, or even online. While there are no specific requirements about how it should look, it should be legible, look professional, and be manageable in size and portability. The second step will be to add your My CDA Professional Portfolio cover sheet. The portfolio cover sheet will guide you in organizing the contents of your portfolio using tabbed sections. This cover sheet is in the Competency Standards Manual you have ordered. The reflective statements of competence, sometimes referred to as goals. There will be 6 of these. Today we are addressing Competence Standards 1. Each statement or standard has accompanying resources. Many of these will be part of your classwork here at FSW. You will start your writing by explaining how your own teaching meets this standard. Each standard has separate functional areas. Standard 1 has 3, safe, health, and learning. Components of our course this semester. You can address each functional area individually or mix them up in your introductory paragraphs. Besides your beginning reflective paragraphs, you will write 3 specific paragraphs. Please note the letters and number designations. These should be included in your writings. Specific paragraph CS1A. You are to reflect on that sample menu that you designed for this class. How does it reflect your commitment to children's nutritional needs? Maybe you've already thought and written about this as one of our discussion topics. Finish the paragraph by critiquing the menu. Why is it so good? Why is it beneficial for children? If it's not your own menu, how might you change it and why? Are you getting the idea that the CDA process is a reflective process? That's because research has indicated that reflective practitioners are more successful than those that never think about their practice. The best part of reflection is there's usually not a wrong answer. CS1B is about your room environment. When you are observed by a professional development specialist at the very end of this process, he or she will see your room, but still be specific in your writings, particularly if you would make changes or what works real well in your room. The third specific paragraph, CS1C, centers itself on your weekly lesson plans. If you were able to design the plans yourself, write about how it matches your philosophy of teaching. If you did not design them, write about why they work or why they don't work and how you might change them. This is just a gentle reminder of what all children need and maybe suggestions if you run out of ideas while you're writing. All right, let's talk about resources for Competency Standard 1. RC1 you have to have a current CPR first aid course. If you're already in a child care, you probably have it. So just make a copy of your card and you're good to go. If you're not certified yet, add this to your to-do list. You will also need a copy of one weekly menu. If you completed the nutritional project in this class, then you already have one. If not, get one or find one. The last resource for this section is a sample of your weekly lesson plans. Make sure you have very good descriptions of the planned experiences. Pretend that I will be subbing in your room for that day and you need to describe out everything. Also, you need to include accommodations for children with special needs, even if you don't have any in your class. So, that's all there is to it. After you've written this first one, you'll have a hang of it. These are just a few statements to end the presentation with. This is one of the first steps you're taking to professionalism. If it were easy, everyone would do it. As usual, any questions or concerns, please let me know. Ever onward and happy writing.